Dog bite injuries are often dismissed as minor accidents, but recent high value verdicts are proving that courts are taking these cases much more seriously, especially when owners knew their dog was dangerous and failed to act. A school teacher in Georgia was awarded over $5 million dollars by a jury after being permanently injured by a neighbor's dog. She suffered severe damage to her arm that required surgery and extensive rehabilitation. The jury found that the dog's owner had failed to exercise adequate control, and that failure cost them dearly. So why are these injuries so significant? Because a dog bite is rarely just a bite. Victims can suffer deep puncture wounds that become infected, nerve damage, permanent scarring, fractured bones, torn ligaments, and serious emotional trauma, including PTSD. Treatment can involve emergency care, multiple surgeries, physical therapy, and even plastic and reconstructive surgery. And if you're a working adult, you may also be losing income throughout that entire recovery process. The law varies depending on where you are, and that matters a lot. In Georgia, dog owners are not automatically held responsible for their dog's actions. Victims typically have to prove that the owner knew the dog was aggressive or that they violated Georgia's leash law. Evidence like prior complaints about the dog, witness statements, animal control reports, and proof that the dog was roaming freely can all make or break a case. Florida takes a stricter approach. Under Florida law, dog owners are strictly liable for injuries their dog causes, regardless of whether the animal has ever bitten anyone before. You don't have to prove the owner knew the dog was dangerous, which makes it considerably easier for victims to pursue and win a claim. It's also worth knowing that most dog bite cases are paid out through homeowners or renters insurance, not directly by the dog owner. Insurers often push back by raising arguments like provocation, trespassing, or shared fault on the victim's part. High-value jury verdicts send a clear message to those insurers that undervaluing these claims is a costly mistake. Gillette Law represents injured victims in dog bite cases against negligent owners in Florida. Call their Jacksonville personal injury team today to schedule a consultation.